fell in love with her father's serf down by the Greenwood side. He courted her for a year and a day. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, till he, the young girl, did betray. Down by the Greenwood side, she leaned her back up against a thorn. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, and there she had two little babes born. Down by the Greenwood side, she took her penknife clean and sharp. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, and pierced those two babes to the heart. Down by the Greenwood side, as she was walking her father's hall. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, she spied two boys a-playing ball. Down by the Greenwood side, she said, oh, babes, if thou wert mine, oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, I'd dress you up in silk so fine. Down by the Greenwood side, our mother dear, when we were thine, oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, you did not treat us then so fine. Down by the Greenwood side, she said, our babes, 'tis you can tell, are the rose and the linsey, oh, what kind of death I'll have to die. Down by the Greenwood side, seven years of fish in the flood. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, 7 years, a tongue in the morning bell. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, 7 years in the flames of hell. Down by the greenwood side, welcome, welcome, fish in the flood. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, welcome, welcome, bird in the wood. Down by the greenwood side, welcome, tongue in the morning bell. Oh, the rose and the linsey, oh, God save me from the flames in hell. Down by the greenwood side.